Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube video in Chrome or Edge because those browsers expose a native picture-in-picture command. Once the page loads, right-click the video area twice. First click opens YouTube's menu, second opens the browser menu, so you can see the browser's picture-in-picture option. Click that option to detach the video into a small floating window. This method works even when YouTube UI hides PyP. It uses the browser's built-in player control rather than the site's buttons. Once the floating window appears, you control placement and playback directly. Drag the window to any corner. It will stay on top of other apps, so you can keep watching while working. Use the small play/pause and seek controls inside the PyP overlay for quick changes. Right-click the original tab to return the video to the page if you need full controls. Resize the window by dragging its corner if the default size is too small, and remember it preserves audio focus across windows. To finish, either continue with the floating player or click the X to close it and resume in the original tab. If PyP fails, make sure your browser is up to date because PyP bugs are often fixed in updates. Disable any extensions that inject scripts or block overlays, then try the double right-click again. If problems persist, restart the browser and repeat the same steps. Updating and disabling interfering extensions resolves most issues and restores reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.